Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be going over how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows 10. If you are looking for how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 or Mac, I have videos covering that as well. Link will be in the description below. This will be a pretty short video, but I wanted to cover it for anyone that needs help. So let's get started. First, let's open up our web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you may be using Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Next, we are going to go to the VS Code download page. The fastest way to get there is to search for VS Code and click download. Alternatively, you can go to code.visualstudio.com/download. Again, the link will be in the description below. Now that we are on the download page, you should see a button that says Windows. Here we'll click it and the download will start. Once the download is complete, we'll run the installer. In Google Chrome, you should see the installer down here in the bottom left corner. If you are using Microsoft Edge, you'll see the download up here in the top right corner. If you are using Firefox, you'll also see the download in the top right corner. Once you run the installer, you should see the setup wizard that looks like this. Here we will accept the license agreement, click Next, Next, Next. Here we see that we have additional options for the installation. Create a desktop icon is pretty straightforward. It adds an icon to the desktop so that you can run VS Code. I typically don't want to clutter up my desktop, so I'm not going to check this option. Next, we have two Open with Code options. The first one for file context menus and the second one for directory context menus. This allows you to find files or folders in File Explorer and then right click on them and choose Open with Code. This can be very helpful, so I always check these two. Register Code as an editor for supported file types allows you to set VS Code as a default editor when you open certain files. And the last option, Add to Path, sets everything up so that you can run the code command from the command prompt or PowerShell. Okay, now we'll click Next and install. Let's go ahead and launch VS Code and click Finish. If VS Code opens for you, then congratulations. If it doesn't, leave a comment below and we'll see if we can get it working for you. If you found this content helpful, please click the like button so that others can find it more easily. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.